everybody, my name is Luisa. I'm a local realtor in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington. And now that you know why you should be investing your money, let's talk about 3 strategies that you could be using to invest in real estate. Remember, when you're investing, you're using your money to make more money. So we want to have profit. There are many ways to invest in real estate. The 3 strategies that I chose are very popular, and I think those are the ones that people usually start with. The first one is fix and flip. As the name says, you have to find a property that you need to do some work on it so you can sell it for a profit. So you have to find a property that needs work to be done, and then you have to count all the work and the cost with the work and the time, and then you will sell it for a higher price. So buying at the right price to be able to sell at the right price is really important. The second strategy is buy, rehab, refinance, and repeat. So for this one, again, you need to find a property that has some work that needs to be done. So you buy the property, you do some work, you put a tenant there to pay for your mortgage, and after a while, you refinance with the bank, and the difference between the value that the property is now and the last loan that you had is what you can use to repeat this strategy for another down payment. Again, with this strategy, you're counting on appreciation because you bought it for less because it needed to do some work on it, and now you will not sell it for more, but the bank will see that it is worth more. So you're not selling, but you're refinancing. So again, you're counting on appreciation. The last one is buy and hold. With this one, you are not so worried about appreciation. If that happens, that is amazing. And many times it does happen a lot because if you buy at the right location, properties appreciate in value. But you buy the property ready, so there may be tenants on it already. And you don't need to do anything. You just buy it, and you're buying it because of the cash flow. The tenants are paying the mortgage, and it's still giving you some cash flow. When you buy and hold, you don't have to worry about the market condition really, because even if the market crashes, you will still be receiving cash flow, and that's what you were there for. And if you hold for long enough, the next cycle will come and the property will appreciate again. Tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite way to invest in real estate? I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to be happy.